As you walked in the joint, I could see you were a man of distinction, a real big spender, good looking, so refined. So wouldn't you like to know what's going on in my mind?
El espectáculo de Joel y sus nenas en este bonito programa para todos y cada uno de ustedes, gente que nos acompaña en este súper agasajo musical de hoy. Joel y sus nenas en este bonito programa, damas y caballeros.